Hello everyone, welcome to ecBill. In this video we'll see how to make product opening stock entry. First we'll see what is mean by product opening stock. For already running shop, if they are installing new software. Let's get start with the video now. Go to Masters under Select Product Master and select Product Opening Balance. In that select supplier name or make opening supplier as common. Now select the product from the list by scan or type the product name. Or we can create products in the product master. If suppose same product name having different rate means, we can make two entries. Add list of items as required and save it. If you want to do any modifications, restore the opening balance entry again and make the required changes as you need. Like edit or delete. Once done the changes as you want and update it. We can check in stock. Select process to view the added items. Thank you.